What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. I guess we kind of have an update. So my Tacoma is completely stock. This is the first truck that I've had while doing YouTube that has been stock for this long. So of course I've done some minor modifications, removed some things, added some things, but we haven't been doing a lot of modifications, and I hear your cry for some help. Now I don't know how aware you guys are, but things are kind of hard to get. I've ordered mostly everything. This also is a pretty good guide on how to modify your truck, so if you're interested in that, stay tuned, because I'm about to go in order on how I did it. So let's start off with the first thing that I have scheduled, the first thing that I plan on doing next. I kind of want to attack it from the front and then just move my way around. So at first, I'm going to change this grill. I really wanted to keep it. I was considering just blacking out the edges. I still may, but I probably won't actually, since I've already ordered the other grill. I think we all know what grill I'm gonna end up going with, but yeah, that grill is coming up next. Second, I'm going with the window tint. Oh my gosh, the window tint. It has been the most difficult thing to do. I've reached out to like 10 different spots. One place gave me like 4 weeks out. Another one straight up told me, no, I'm gonna have a party that weekend. I can't do it. I kid you not. So it's kind of unfortunate, but we're waiting. But after we do the front grille, we're definitely gonna get the windows tinted. Thinking I'm gonna go 20 up front and then keep the stained glass and go 20 on top of that. If you guys know who Untamed is, I got the idea from him. I really like the way his trucks end up looking, so I'm gonna go with that. After we've gotten that done, I'm either gonna change the headlights or I'm gonna change the fog lights. Now, I got some LED headlights coming in, so that's actually, well, that's number one. You guys will see that video soon. But the actual housing, I'm talking about this and that. I'm not sure which ones I should change first. I'm looking for some amber diodynamics. Let me know if you guys see them in stock. I've checked over and over again and I can't find them in stock, but I also want to change out these headlights. A lot of the lights that are available for like a TRD Sport, for a TRD Pro, aren't available for an SR5. I think there's some changes that this one doesn't have that the other ones do, if that makes any sense. After we get the fog lights, well, then we'll do the headlights or vice versa. Just depends. I was really interested in doing a different interior. I don't know how much I'm going to do that. I'm really liking the gray. It feels a little bit more roomy, a little bit more spacious, but I may do some custom seats in here, like black it out and put some logos and stuff around it, but I'm not too sure on that one. So that one's on hold. After that, it gets to the fun stuff. We're gonna start with the wheels and tires, the lift kit. All of that stuff will come after the smaller stuff. I want to do all the smaller stuff first because on my last truck, I had all that stuff done with stock headlights, stock fog lights, no window tint, so I kind of looked like out of place almost. So, oh, sorry, one thing I forgot. The taillights, I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm really digging like the all red. I don't know if I want to switch them out for some blacked out taillights or just keep them red. I really like the red, but black also fits the theme, so let me know what your thoughts are on that. All right, buddy. Once all that's done, then we're gonna do the lift, then we're gonna do the wheels, and then we're gonna do the tires. Now, I've been searching for some wheels and tires, and that is taking a long time. Guys, I'm talking like February, March. I was thinking about just wrapping these in like some 265s, test something out in the meantime until I can get the wheels and tires that I want, just to give it a little bit of a beefier look, because man, those wheels and tires, they're pretty embarrassing. I don't like it. I'm not a fan. After the wheels and tires, the lift kit, I don't know if I'm gonna change the upper control arms just yet. I'm thinking I maybe will, just to give us a little bit more comfort. But the tires, I'm torn. I don't know if I should go with the KO2s or maybe try something completely out of the blue. I've recently saw some tires that I'm very interested in that I may give a try. After all, it's a learning process here on YouTube, so we'll say YOLO on it, and I'll probably go with some random tires. Once I get the wheels and tires set up, you guys will see the direction I'm going. I don't know if a lot of people are gonna be happy with what I'm about to do to this truck. It's definitely gonna be one of a kind. There's not gonna be any other Tacoma on YouTube. I'm 100% positive. No other Tacoma is gonna look like mine. Maybe it's a good thing, maybe it's a bad thing. I'm super excited, I'm super stoked about it. So I work from home. I asked Sandy, babe, is it hot out or is it cold out? She tells me it's freezing. Wear sweatpants, a hoodie, and a beanie. I even wore a long sleeve shirt under this. I am on fire. So yeah, those are the mods that are coming. When they're coming, I'm thinking November. starting in November, I am going to be changing up the YouTube channel a little bit. In November, I don't think I'm going to be doing uploads every single day. I think I'm going to go Monday and Friday every week, and we'll see how that goes. If anything, I can just turn it up a notch and just go back to every day. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. It's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Single tomorrow. Peace.